Sunbaked cardamom wooden pool. But why is it 1 star? Empty. Bought this and it did come with water. Little bit it cost more to fill than it cost to buy. I mean, he's not lying, so. Do you think this guy really expects he will get the girl when he buys a t-shirt online? Ice cream cone toothbrush holder, $25. Selling my roommate's toothbrush holder he left some time ago, and I have been using it to store. To store what? Yup, that's an ice cream holder. I bet it has a lot of cream in it. PS5 for $50. I hope he's trolling. This car is like your mom. She's older. She's got a lot of miles on her and she could use a little cosmetic work. But still, she's got it. There's a lot of potential. She needs someone to take care of her and she will take care of you back. Also, she fits too comfortably in the front. But back seat is real tight. Someone make him a car salesman. He will be real good. I mean, I'm sold. 1999 Toyota Supra, $35.5 thousand. I mean, it looks like a genuine ad. What's wrong with it? He posted screenshots taken in GTA 5. Yes, that's a photo taken from GTA 5. So let me make this clear. This man caught a pigeon just so he could make the pigeon captive again. I mean, he's selling it for free. Oh, he looks so sad. I mean, I don't know if it's a he or she, or maybe it has decided to be non-binary. But on a serious note, guys, stop capturing animals. Portrait of Old Greg, $1. Well, now that Hulk is injured, Avengers would like to hire him. I'm selling this glass door, just needs to be assembled. $50. So this guy is selling his shattered glass for $50. I mean, you can use it as a puzzle to assemble it. Penny. Wait, what? Okay, sausage car. $2,000. Luden. So let's see what he has to say about it. First off, no, this isn't a joke. It's real running and driving car. I built for a gay parade. It runs and drives good and is a head turner. Had a clean title. I'm looking to sell it to fund my next build. I might trade if it's the right deal. Several man hours in this rig. I hate to let her go, but it's on to bigger and better things. Call or text me. I don't respond to emails. The price is $2,000, but don't lowball me or I'll put a gun on you. Thanks. Okay, that's a threat. I mean, if you ask me, he's pretty serious about it. So, if you wanna buy a sausage car, well, you know how to contact him. Organic Southern Heat Made Titty Sweat. Local harvested Southern Titty Sweat, $20. And by the way, it's freshly squeezed, so fresh. You know, in this generation of incels and simps, this doesn't seem that much stupid. I mean, trust me, there are many simps and incels out there who would happily buy it. I don't know what they will do with it, but they will buy it. So yeah, if any one of you out there is interested in buying titty sweat for whatsoever purpose, just buy it, dude. And by the way, again, it's freshly squeezed. Cool tooth. Wait, what is a cool tooth? Cool tooth, $10 starting bid. If more interest, more tooths can be available. Well, I don't have a cool friend, so maybe it's good I have a cool tooth. So yeah, I will order it. I have a reborn piglet fully rooted and a reborn monkey fully rooted available. If interested, PM me for details. Wait, I do not understand. What is a reborn fully... Oh my god, I'm getting nightmares today. I will not comment about this, I will just move on. How is this even legal? This lady is offering men to bathe in her milk. Let me repeat that for you. You can bathe in her milk. So let's read the advertisement. Bathe in my milk. Offer open to men only. Soy, almond or traditional. Wait, how can milk be of flavors? I don't. Use my sponge. I will watch you. Schedule an appointment at batheinmymilk.com. So let me investigate this photo. Welcome to Detective Azifity. First of all, that's not milk because milk doesn't have foam. These photos were taken on the same day because the color of the dress the woman is wearing, the lighting of the room, the position of the towel, everything is identical. And the last, this man is going to have the best day of his life. Yeah, he is going to lose something. Do you want to sorry, do you want to boost your funeral? Hire me, the professional mourner, to come and cry at your funeral. Below are the summer special prices. Normal crying $50, Bahamian hollering $100, crying and rolling on the ground $150, crying and threatening to jump into the grave $200, crying and actually jumping in the grave $1,000. Yes, 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 I hire you. This dude made me an offer I cannot refuse. So here a guy is trying to pick up a girl on Craigslist. Girl that got hit by a car in front of Billy's last night. By the way he mentions his age, he's a 27-year-old guy. I was outside smoking. You were crossing the road and got hit by a car. You bounced off the hood and landed on your feet, yelling something about being indestructible. The other night, I almost got trapped in a dumpster because I was going after a pizza that I thought I wanted to take home with me. I've also recently slept on my kitchen floor. I think we would be a good fit for each other. Move in with me, let's get married. Well, yeah, that's a perfect How I Met Your Mother story. Door ram, $40. I have a door ram that was left at my house this afternoon by the Atlantic County SWAT team, trying to make $40 of it to help replace my door. I mean, that's a bargain you can't refuse. I mean, the SWAT team actually, gave something back. So, good. Limited edition Mario milk, $50. But the real question is, where's the Luigi milk? I'm more interested in that. Free hotel for homeless women that wants to have sex for money. That's wrong actually. I mean, you are taking advantage of someone's helplessness. It's wrong. So let's read. Text me or call me or email, but I prefer text. If you are homeless or just want a free place to stay, and a woman of course, text me and I will put you in a hotel in Decatur, and after a month an apartment. You must be willing to have sex with men for money while living here. So basically you want her to become a prostitute. That's wrong, dude. Why hasn't Craigslist taken it down? I mean, what he's trying to do is human trafficking, so it's dangerous. So this is a maths question, I would say. Yankee with no brim is $31. Brim with no Yankee is 0.69 cents. So the Yankee is around $30. And no Yankee, no brim is $29. I don't. The math is blowing my mind. Beat me up to impress your girl. To $50. Oh my god, why was this guy not in my high school? I really wanted someone like this. Does the woman in your life think you are a little dog? Prove her wrong by punching me in the face. I will come by wherever you are and hit on her. That's when you give me the Marty McFly and lay me out in front of her. Half up front and other half after we cause an inevitable scene. I mean, that's smart. He knows how to take advantage of his powers. Selling my cheating boyfriend's shoe collection. I found out he just left on a business trip for a week to go visit his other girlfriend in Seattle. His little sausage ass wears a 9, but some are 9.5 and a couple are $10 per pair or $50 for all the shoes. Selling his Xbox One for $30. Wow, that's a deal. I know it has 2K because he never stops playing it. Well, that's how you take revenge.